Hey guys, and you're watching the review and unboxing of the Huawei Honor 8S. So this device has been released in April of 2019 by Huawei. So it's a budget category device, and in this video we're gonna unbox this device and do a full review of it. So let's get into it. So this device weighs in 146 grams and it is 8.5mm thick. So it's a budget Huawei device. You cannot expect that much of specifications from this. So let's just quickly unbox this and see what's inside the box. So here's the warranty card, and let's take off the box and you can see the device itself. So here I got this device in blue color. It's available in only blue and black colors. I've got the blue one. So the back is textured, you can see. It's not that cheap plastic, it's a textured plastic you're getting on the back side. So inside the box we got the ejection pin right at the top, and along with that we got some quick start guide and some paperwork and stuff. Apart from that, Huawei provides you with the screen, sorry, it's not a protector, it's the case, the plastic protective case we are getting with the device. So putting these things to the side, now we got the charger, which is unfortunately not a fast charger. It is a normal charger which you get with all of the budget devices, and along with that you get the 2.0 USB cable, nothing new. And apart from that we got the normal earphones which are provided with the box and which are gonna last you for 5 or 6 months. So apart from the things you're getting with the box, now let's take a look at the device. So this is the Huawei Honor 8S, a budget category device by Huawei. It is priced around rupees 16,000 PKR in Pakistan. So let's power this device on and let's see what we are getting inside the device. I'm liking the design they have put, like the infinity type design, the full screen view. That is the new standard nowadays, so you can expect that Huawei giving to their budget category devices. Let's power this device on. So the screen size of this device is 5.7 inches and it is having a 78% screen to body ratio. So let's do a quick physical review of this device. At the right side we got the volume rockers and power key. At the bottom we got the primary microphone along with the 2.0 port and bottom firing single speaker. At the left side of this device you get a SIM tray, and at the top you get the secondary microphone along with the 3.5mm headphone jack. So now till this device is getting boot, here you can see the front camera. Alright, so let me peel off this sticker real quick. So look at this textured back, quite neat, and it's giving a lot cleaner look, and I like this design, to be honest. So I've set up the device. Here's the device. It seems quite snappy at first because it is having 2GB of RAM, unlike the 1GB RAM variant which they released months ago or last year I guess. So inside the settings we got various options, and the best thing about this device is that they are giving this device a 32GB of storage and latest Android 9.0 Pie along with the latest EMUI software, which is EMUI 9. So that is one of the best things I saw when I first used this device. So this screen, you can see the infinity type screen design. It is quite nice. So I forgot to mention the dual. This guy supports nano SIM with SD card as well. Dual nano SIM, by the way. So you can insert dual nano SIM, and you can see the Android version is 9 Pie. Although I'm not a fan of the LCD panels Huawei provide with these devices, but what do you expect in this price range? This is an IPS LCD with a 720p panel, gonna provide you with 295 ppi. So inside the CPU, this device is having a quad-core 2.0 GHz CPU and a PowerVR GPU, along with a MediaTek chipset, which is not that strong. It is a weak chipset, so it's not gonna give you heavy performance. Now coming to the audio of this device, let me show you guys the audio and the speaker sound. You be the judge yourself and tell how is it. So in my opinion, sound is a lot better than the previous Honor 7s. So sound was good, and also you can expand your micro SD storage up to 500 gigabytes, and this device can be easily fitted in pocket as well because of its handy size, so that's a plus point as well. It is also having Bluetooth 5.0 and active noise cancellation mic. The sensors are there, the accelerometer proximity, the themes and wallpapers. You're getting a non-removable Leon 3020 mAh of battery. So now let's talk about the camera. The rear camera is a 13 megapixel shooter with f1.8 lens, and it can shoot video up to 1080p at 30 fps. Here are the settings of the camera. There are various settings you're gonna get with this camera department. You can set this to various megapixel and resolutions. Apart from that, we got the timer, the grid, and the simple beauty mode and stuff like that. So you can see I've took some pictures, and the picture quality is fine, not that bad. Although I like the front camera much better because it's an improvement from last year's device. The front camera is really good. The rear camera is also good, but the color production is like decent in my opinion. So yeah, and apart from that, I would recommend this device to the people who are not gonna go for heavy gaming and stuff like that, just for day-to-day tasks, and you want to use social media apps, not that fancy gaming or high-end camera use. So you can get this device around rupees 15,000 to 16,000. That's good bucks for this type of device. Okay, now coming here to the front camera. The front camera of this device is a 5 megapixel f2.2 shooter. You also get some modes with that. You can also shoot 1080p high-res video with the front camera. That's good sign. And although there are no such thing as some heavy and fancy stuff and modes like you're getting with Samsung devices, though it's a budget Huawei device, so what can you expect? Anyways, I guess that was all for this video quick review. If you guys have any queries or any questions, you can comment down below. I'll try to answer them all. So that was the unboxing video of the Huawei Honor 8s. Thank you for watching this video guys. Stay tuned for more. This is Ali Shahid signing off. Peace.